Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandesh. I'm the pharmacist here in Australia. In today's video, I'll be explaining about the technique to use the nozzle spray. If you are the person who continuously use the nozzle spray or who need to use the nozzle spray, this video might be helpful for them. And in today's video, I will be sharing some of the technique that is really important to use the nozzle spray. If you are not following that technique, then you might not be getting all the benefit that should be provided by that nozzle spray. Going through the nozzle spray, there are different type of the nozzle spray that you can find in the market, and it depends upon the condition you are having. Okay, today with me I do have the nozzle decongestant. It have the oxymetazoline on that one, so I will be showing you how to use this one. Okay, it is totally similar with many of the nozzle spray. So there are few of the technique. There is the mainly few step, and there is the best technique that I will show you to use the nozzle spray. Okay, stick till the end of the video. Let me open the box. In the box there is the nozzle decongestant, the nozzle spray, and with this one it have the upper cap on that one, and rest is the body. Okay, it do have the medication inside, and every time before using the nozzle spray you need to prime the device. Okay, most of the devices, the nozzle spray, you need to prime the device. Prime means making your device ready to use, making your spray ready to use. Okay, to do so I'll show you the technique, the step. Before that, just shake well. You need to remove the upper lid. This is the outer covering, upper lid, and after that you need to spray this one in the ear. Okay, outside your face, away from the face, in the ear, like 3 or 4 times. 1 2 3 or 4 times. Okay, once it is ready, before that, as I mentioned, you need to shake well, and after that, away from the face, you need to prime the device. Okay, by pressing this area. And once it is ready, at first I'll recommend you to blow the nose. So you need to clear everything that is stuck over there. Okay, mucus, everything that is over there, you need to clean that one. Gently blow the nose and wash the hand. I have already done that step, so after priming I will directly use this one on me. Okay, with this one, the main aim of using this one is for the nozzle inside the nose. Okay, main aim is for the membrane inside the nose. The main part is the nozzle part. Okay, so while you are using this one, make sure you are using in the tilted way. Okay, don't use in the straight way. Tilt your head, and whenever it is ready, you need to put your nozzle spray like this. Okay, don't do like this. If you are putting straight away, it will go on the back of the throat and it will irritate that one. You will have the different taste. So the right way is going like this. Okay, you need to tilt the spray. The best thing is just aim this here. If you are using with for this nose, use the other hand. Okay, so if you are, for example, if you are using for this nose, use this hand, but if you are using for this nose, use this hand, so that you can aim like this and aim for that here. Okay, let me show you. Slightly tilt your head. Once we have already done the priming, you don't need to, so that I know it is coming. Now tilt slightly, put like this and go. Again, let me demonstrate for the next nose. I have already kept this on this nose. I do have both the nose blocked, so I will use on this one now. Okay, just I'm tilting my head like this, and slightly I'm going like this. I'm aiming for this one, this here, see, and I'm going. That's it. That's easy. Close the lid and put that away, and you are ready for that one. And after this one, for few minutes do not blow the nose, okay, because this medication will act on the nozzle surface on that area. It doesn't need to do anything with the back, okay, so it is main acting on that area. This is the decongestant. It will do the vasoconstriction. So once the vessel over there is constricted, it will help, it will open the nozzle passage, help with the breathing, okay. This was the correct way to use the nozzle spray. If you have any queries on this one, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are using the different technique, then I'll recommend go with this technique, because this is the right technique and you will get the benefit of the medication. Otherwise you are just wasting the dose of the medication, okay. You need to follow the correct technique and the right technique to get the benefit of the medication. And thank you everyone for watching me and supporting me on my YouTube journey. And if you have any of the queries, you can leave the your question on the comment section below. If I got the time, I'll try to go through each and everything. And thank you for liking my video. And we have reached the family of 100 subscriber now. Hope to get more on the future, and my videos are getting more views. Hope it will be getting more than expected, and it will be getting more in the future too. And thank you everyone once again, and follow this technique. And thank you everyone. Like, share and comment. Thank you.